Welcome, everyone. Today, we are delving into the fascinating world of Bing, Microsoft's powerful search engine. In this video, we'll explore the features that set Bing apart, how it works, and why it's more than just another search engine. So, let's get started. Bing, a product of Microsoft, is a search engine that's rapidly gaining popularity worldwide. With its visually appealing homepage and intuitive user interface, Bing offers a seamless search experience. But there's more to Bing than meets the eye. It's not just a search engine, it's a gateway to information, images, videos, news, and more. Snapshot. One of Bing's unique features is the Snapshot feature, presenting summarized information right on the search page. Bing also excels in image and video searches, providing a rich visual experience. Its AI-driven algorithms continuously improve search results, making it easier for users to find relevant information quickly. Easily accessible. Bing is not just a standalone search engine, it's deeply integrated into the Microsoft ecosystem. Users can access Bing seamlessly through Windows, Edge browser, and even Cortana, Microsoft's virtual assistant. This integration enhances productivity and makes Bing easily accessible. Image creation feature. Bing goes beyond being just a search engine. It also offers powerful tools for creative minds. Bing's image creation capabilities enable users to bring their ideas to life. With Bing's visual search, users can find inspiration from an extensive collection of images, artworks, and photographs. Additionally, Bing's image search offers advanced filtering options, making it easy to find the perfect image for any project. User privacy. Privacy is a top priority with Bing, as Microsoft emphasizes data protection and user security. Bing Webmaster Tools empower website owners and marketers to optimize their sites for Bing's search engine, expanding their online reach. Bing Rewards. Bing's rewards program, Bing Rewards, is a fantastic feature that offers users incentives for using the search engine. By earning points through searches, users can redeem rewards, gift cards, and more. It's an excellent way to make searching more rewarding. In conclusion, Microsoft Bing is not just another search engine, it's a dynamic, innovative tool that provides an exceptional search experience. With its visually captivating interface, AI-powered algorithms, and integration with the Microsoft ecosystem, Bing offers more than meets the eye. So, why not give Bing a try? Embrace the power of Bing for smarter, more rewarding searches. Like and subscribe for more informative tech content, and we'll see you next time.